How to fix WhatsApp not working on iPhone. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that what can you do if your WhatsApp is not working on your iPhone. So I'm going to discuss several methods that you can use to make your iPhone WhatsApp work again. So first you have to head over to your settings on your iPhone, and then on your settings you simply have to go to this general option, and then you have to choose the storage option. Just scroll down and find this iPhone storage option and click it, and then it's going to bring you to this page, and you have to scroll down and find WhatsApp and click it. Now try offloading the app. You have two options. One is delete app and other is offload app. You simply have to click offload app. This will free up the storage used by the app, but it keeps your documents and data safe. Reinstalling the app will reinsist your data if the app is still available for download. It's not going to delete your messages and is safe. So simply click offload app and then reinstall it. The second method is you go back in your settings and then scroll through and find the option that says privacy and security and click that option. And now you have to scroll down, and here you have to find the option camera. So if your camera is not working for your WhatsApp, you simply have to find the WhatsApp over here and enable it. Make sure it's turned green and it's toggled on. Once it's toggled on, the camera will start working. Now go back and do this same method for the microphone as well. Choose microphone and then scroll through and find WhatsApp and turn it on for the WhatsApp. You simply have to click this button over here and it's going to toggle on it, and once it's green it means it's enabled for the WhatsApp. And if it still does not, you simply have to just restart your iPhone and it's going to fix the issue. And that's how you can fix the problem if your WhatsApp is not working on your iPhone, and these methods will help you solve the problem.